Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set an animated server icon or server avatar on the left side over here on Discord for your server. So what you need to do is to first of all have server boost level 1. If you click on the server name over here at the top and then go to server boost, you can see that you need to have level 1 in order to unlock animated server icon. Once you have that, let's close this one. Once you have that, let's go once again to the server name over here and go to server settings. Now in the overview, we have the server overview options over here where we can change the icon. We can click on upload image, or we can click on the icon over here in order to select the image. And of course, in order to use an animated picture, we need to have GIF or GIF to be used as the server icon. Once you select that, you can press save changes in order to save the new icon. And of course, as I said before, in order to actually make it animated, you need to have server boost level 1. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.